Hello everyone, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R, and today I am in my bedroom and I am going to attempt to make this plain big wall here, to do it in Batten board. So if you want to see how it turns out, then just stay tuned. Alright guys, well I went to Lowe's and I seen a lot of their wood that they had there, and I will put all the things that I use in this video in the description box below. These boards here, these are like 3.5 by 8, so I think they're 3.5 by 1 by 8, you know, so they're 8 feet long. And I am going to start on the upper wall, then the lower wall, and then I'm going to do the sides, and then we'll be filling in the middle. So basically I have already marked on my wall where the studs are. It's going to take a lot to film this, so just be patient with me. But I have a stud finder here. There's a stud. There's a stud. There's a stud. So I have went across my wall already and found where the studs are. Got an LED. Top and bottom first, then I'll do the sides. This is very messy, but I am just laying the boards up here and taping them. Once I finish taping them, I am just going to take my glue and glue them right where I'm taping them. I know this ain't fully detailed, and I'm just eyeballing it. I'm not doing any math, just eyeballing it. So I just take my wood, put it up to the wall, and that's how I'm measuring. I am just finishing up doing the seams on my batten board wall, and I'm gonna do some more, you know, sanding of the seams and the creases so it'll just look flawless. All right, guys, well, the batten board wall is done. I think I am going to go over it one more time with some paint.